Impero Classroom allows you to define which websites can and cannot be accessed by your learners. This is handled by the Website Lists tool. Although website lists can be created as required, it is recommended that they are defined before the class begins. Two types of website lists can be created: allow lists and block lists. An allow list identifies which websites can be accessed by learners, whereas a block list identifies which websites cannot be accessed. To help with our understanding of website lists, we'll look at how an allow list can be created and applied. In this example, we will create a list of online resources to be available during a geography class. From Classroom Tools, click on the New List button and give the list a name. Colors can be used if desired to differentiate your lists. Make sure the Allowed List Radio button is selected, and then add the permitted URLs. There's no need to type www. before each URL. To allow access to all areas of a website, you only need to enter the domain name. As an example, adding worldatlas.com will give access to all pages associated with that site. Once the final URL has been added, click on the Save button, and the website list is now ready to be used. Website lists can be applied to all learners or individual learners as needed. Select the appropriate device thumbnails and click on the required website list. Once it has been applied, those devices will only be able to access websites that are specified in the allow list. In this example, none of the devices were viewing websites on the allow list, and we can see that they are now displaying the page blocked message. If a learner tries to access one of the permitted websites, we can see that the website is displayed. A block website list is created and applied in the same way as an allow list, except that the Block List Radio button is selected. When a block list is active, the learner can access any website other than those identified in the block list. Website lists can be amended by clicking on the Edit button to the right of the list name. Website lists are removed by selecting the required devices and clicking on Clear Lists.